Hello and welcome to our Moodle page. So I just kind of wanted to take you through what you'll see as you scroll through. We have a lot of content on here. So we'll start, we have the welcome video, which is up there now, the Moodle Tour, which I'm recording now, so it will be linked soon, the Syllabus Tour, the EdReady Tour. So just trying to give you a little sense of what things are going to be like before you're actually jumping into them. Important stuff at the top. Zoom link for class and office hours. So just click this and you will join the class. I may have you log in a special way to put you in breakout rooms in a certain way. Stay posted. Video playlist link. So that shows all of the videos that I have, intro and welcome, page 2, page 3, etc. And the EdReady link takes you to EdReady, where you'll do some of your homework. And the Zoom tutorial is just, I think it's like an 8-minute video that I made to kind of show you how to use Zoom. So if you've already used Zoom and feel pretty comfortable with it, don't even worry about it. Class is going to be online via Zoom. We'll meet at 8:15 every morning, Monday through Friday. We'll go until about 9:30 or so with questions. And then after that, we'll switch over to work time. So the work time can be done in your breakout rooms with my help, or it can be done just on your own. And you can do that on your own time if you want. But again, if you have questions, just stick around and I'll be able to help. Office hours are during those optional times and other times by appointment. So I'm making appointments for office hours instead of having a fixed schedule. Please, 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 if you have any questions that you want to talk about or anything that you want to talk about, just let me know. We'll find a time. For course materials, you'll need the note set printed off. So that'll be I think that's the only thing that you need to print. It's 128 pages, I believe. But again, whatever you print it, don't print it in color. But as long as you print it in black and white, it's going to be $1.28 probably. So a lot cheaper than it, or just included in your student fees. So a lot cheaper than a textbook. You need some internet, computer, tablet, phone, something for EdReady, something to take pictures of your work. We have the remind here. So if you go to join class, you can put in your phone number and your name, then you'll get messages from me, I can get messages from you, and our phone numbers aren't exchanged or anything, so it's confidential. I'll send out announcements to the whole class and sometimes individual announcements as needed. Scrolling down a little more, we have the syllabus and policy sheet. So I'll click on that. You'll have a tour of that in a little bit. Whoops. Doesn't want me to, okay. There we go. You have a Word document that has which videos and sections are part of which set. If you have questions, please ask. Then the video recordings, this is the same link that you saw before. It'll take you to the YouTube playlist with all our videos. We have study guides and check-in assignments. So check-in assignments are something, I might make a video for those too, I don't know. Or we'll probably just talk about them in class. And then study guides. And then we have each day's assignments. So for example, on Thursday, September 3rd, you're going to do your exit question at the end of class. You'll do your participation survey, which basically just says, how did you participate? Oh, it's not available yet because we haven't had class yet. It's okay. Okay, so it will be available then. Check-in 2, so you'll be doing one of your check-in assignments, one of your 3 check-in assignments that day and posting it on the forum. Homework set I. Notice that it's not due until Tuesday, even though it's being assigned Thursday. That's because you have some time to watch the videos. Then the next day, you've got some time to work on it in class. Then the next day, you've got some time to ask specific questions in class, and then it's due. So Thursday night, you're watching the videos. Friday morning, you have work time. Monday is Labor Day. Tuesday morning, you have time for individual or specific questions, like, hey, I just didn't get this number 7. And then you'll turn it in that night. So you have a long period, which gives you lots of chances to ask for help if you need it. Notice that the final exam is due at noon on Wednesday. Almost everything here is due at either 6 p.m. or 8:15 a.m. The final exam is due at noon because I have to get your grades in ASAP. I'm hoping to have them in that Wednesday, that day. And then we have some resources up here as well. You'll see you've got the Learning Center, so you can click on that, go to their Moodle page. You've got e-counseling, you can click on that and make appointments with Jerry and Heidi, who are amazing. And everything else you're probably familiar with. And then finally we have the assignment checklist, which I'm excited about. This is the first time I've used it. So if you click on the checklist, not the text part, but the checklist part itself, the bubble part, you can check off exactly what you've done and see exactly what you need to do. So I've printed, hole punched, and put the note set in, but I haven't done the Ed Ready diagnostic yet, perhaps. So I'll leave that blank. And as you fill it out, it grows, and then you can see on your main page that now I'm almost done. So you have a visual record of exactly what you need to do, or what you have left to do, and whether you've finished all your assignments. Those are populated with all the assignments that I can think of. If I have left some out, I will be sure to let you know. I'm not just going to add to a checklist without telling you very clearly over remind and in class. Oh, if the left bar goes away, this is how to get it back. This 3 lines. And your grades. So this is showing my grades. I'm looking at this as a student. So grades for homework sets are out of 100. Exit questions are out of 50. Participation out of 30. And other assignments as well. Still need to adjust the way the course total is looking, but I will get to that. Okay, if you have any questions, as always, please reach out. Thank you.